With wetin I dey see here so, e no different from the report wey dey with me. We go improve on the security matter, make work for go on wella. Acting Edo Governor. Acting Governor for Edo State, Right Honourable Comrade Philip Shaibu, don tok say as e see the progress for Benin Technical College, e sweet im belle. E tok dis one for one inspection wey e go do for the ongoing project for Benin Technical College for Thursday for Benin. E tok say the report wey dem send give am tally with wetin e don see. E con tok say dem go increase security for the place sake of the quality of equipment wey dem go use for the project. E con tok say the government plan na to see say Benin Technical College become ogbonge technical school for the world.
I was inundated with approvals, and reading through those files, I discovered a lot of work have been done. And the purpose of coming here is to actually ascertain that what I saw in those files are actually on ground. And from what I can see, not just that it's been done, but the quality of the work is very impressive. And it shows that everything that was translated is correct. And so I can now make some of those approvals that I sorted for. Just fact-finding mission and to ascertain that what I read through in those files are actually what is obtainable. And also it gave me an opportunity also to see other things that need to be done and the level of compliance in terms of the quality that we want in the school. I'm also being told now also that we need to increase our security presence here because of the quality and the things that are already in place here. So, and other things that need to be installed, we need us to beef up security so that when they are installed, these items are not carted away. They are too expensive to be allowed to be carted away. Don't forget, the idea of this school, beyond training quality manpower, is also to make it a flagship project, not for only Edo State, but for the entire country, because we are creating a world standard technical college, and that will produce quality human capital for our state and also become a center of excellence where every graduate from this school will be, if I use the word hotcake, will be hotcake in terms of quality manpower and labor. So I'm impressed so far, and we'll do the needful to make sure that this project is completed in record time.
Ayegba Samuel, wey be one of the engineer representative for Govunor Nigeria Limited, con tok say dem go need plenty security before they fit complete the project.
Just like we have gone around and you have seen, the project has gone very far, and we are almost at the completing phase. Immediately we have this additional security that we have asked for, like we have shown the governor, all the materials are available on site, and so we can go ahead and deliver. Our time frame of delivery is dependent on immediately we have the security, but if we get security within a month, we should be able to round up with what is remaining.
Oluwatobi Odeshola, TMC TV News.